Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use AirDrop without Wi-Fi in iPhone. Let's have a look. First, unlock your iPhone with Face ID or passcode. Then open Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down little bit and tap General. Tap AirDrop. Make sure you are using iPhone iOS 17.1 or later. Here you will see out of range. Continue to send and receive content when Wi-Fi is not available during AirDrop. Simply turn on use cellular data. That's it. Go back to settings and close Settings app. With mobile data enabled, you can now share files using AirDrop without Wi-Fi. Let's transfer photo using AirDrop without Wi-Fi. First, turn off Wi-Fi for both phones. Then, try to share photo using AirDrop. Without Wi-Fi, you will see the device name. Select the device and accept. That's it. These are the steps to transfer content using AirDrop without Wi-Fi in iPhone iOS 17.1 or later. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.